Okay, everybody, look at this. This is a bird in my house. I've opened up a window right there and the door and over there. And he's not doing anything. I know you want to go out that way, but then look, I've got these two creatures here wanting. Look at Lance. Look at Lance. Come on, go to the next one. Go to the next window. Lance. Lance, don't you dare. Lance. Lance, don't you dare. Yes, 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 yes. There you there you go, there you go. Lance, 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 don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. You stay in there. Lance, stay in there. Stay in there. Did he go? Did he go away? He got away. Good.